Today we're gonna dive into how to change the quality on Prime Video app. By default, the video quality will depend upon the speed of your connection, but there is a way that you can change it. Firstly, let's head over to the app of Prime Video. Once you're inside the app, you just tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right, and again tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you do, you'll land on the settings page, and the first option that you see is stream and download. You can tap on it and tap on streaming quality. Now there are 4 options that you can choose from: the data saver, good quality, better quality, and the best quality. Just select option depending upon your internet connection and try to see which one works best for you. If your internet connection is a bit slower, you can use the data saver, which only consumes 0.12 GB of your data, which is per hour. You can also toggle this option on if you have a good internet connection. That was of the streaming quality. You can also change it for the download quality. Tap on the download quality option, and it's basically the same thing. You can choose your option depending upon your internet speed. So that was the process on how to change the quality on Amazon Prime Video. I hope you liked it and found this video useful. If you did, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification so you get notified for more upcoming videos. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.